All right, gentlemen, as you can tell, I'm not in town, so here's our schedule for today. We had the quote of the day up, hopefully, in the bell ringer. I'm going over the schedule. I'll go over our test results and also previous test years, kind of see where you're at. Obviously, we can't really take any questions because I'm not there, but that is an opportunity if you could ask Mr. Poskachil or Mr. Lovell. But probably not going to have a lot there. Then we're going to do test corrections, and so that's where the end of this video will stop. You could be at that point, you build test corrections. You only get 20 minutes. It's going to be used to not as a replacement for your grade, not to average. It will help your scale up your test as we go. When you're done, work quietly, all those type of things. And then we'll come back for some notes, another video that I make, and then finally you'll work on a web quest with a partner for the remainder of the class time. So that's our schedule for today. If you look at the historical data, so this is 2021 data, 78 average, you can see a little bit of a bell curve, some high scores, high 97, again. Look at 2002, we're breaking down by class. Again, you can kind of see where those are at. 77 to 73 was the average. 71 on the test was the average. That's kind of where we're going to be from now on. 2023, same thing, 72 was the average. You can see that. And then I only have the data for the A day due to the fact that I had to make this on the B day. So you can see the average is a 72. So right kind of aligned with there. In years past, I would scale it a little bit, but I felt it necessary to provide you more of an opportunity to earn back those points versus just handing them out. That is why, if there aren't any questions, you can ask after this video before we begin. We are going to get the questions that you missed and have an opportunity to earn some points back. So it's just like a test. You need to clear your desks. This time just put phone stuff underneath it. You don't need to take it over to the lab. But everything should be off your desk other than your iPad. I'm not going to give you scratch paper. The access code is redo in capital letters. You need to go through the agenda for today. You need to click the link. Yes to all the different asks that it will give you. All that stuff is still in play. The only thing different is the access code. I believe you only have 20 minutes to work on this. When you're done, close it. You can work on anything else. And then when everyone's done, we'll start up the second video. So again, good luck. This is going to be provided to give you some scaling or additional points to make up on the test. Best of luck.